Hello everyone, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. Today we're going to be installing some of this ceiling tile in the little foyer area that leads into my bathroom. I did purchase this from my local hardware store, and these are sold in cases of 4. So these long sheets like this. This is how it looks on the other side. Luckily, I found the one that looks exactly like the tile that was there. So I'm going to be cutting this because it comes in these long sheets like this. I'm going to be cutting this to fit the spaces that I need to repair. It should be pretty simple. It looks like it just really cuts through pretty easily. So just want to make sure I make it the right width for the space. So let's get started. All right, guys. So as I'm looking up here, I see that this one needs to be repaired. As you can see, it's the actual exact design. I got so lucky when I found that. But I'm going to replace this one, and it looks like just this one as well, this one right here. Everybody else looks okay, so I'm not going to bother with them, but this one needs to go and be replaced, and this one needs to be replaced as well. This is where the actual AC unit is housed. It's actually housed here, so I guess at one point they probably sealed this all off, and then they realized they had to repair the AC unit. So they just started to punch it all loose after they sealed it, probably with caulk. But I'm going to replace the ones that they actually destroyed, which doesn't look aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So I'm going to get these repaired. And hopefully I can remove these pretty smoothly. I do replace the filter in there, so that's kind of like a little doozy. But I'm going to try, there we go. I'm going to try to remove just what I need to remove so I don't destroy everything. I'll get this out of here, and then we'll work with this one. So there we go. Got that one out. So I ended up removing the other piece I needed to remove as well. As you can see, it's that second piece right here. I have placed the other one, this bad one, onto the new stuff, and I did line it up equally. So I'm just going to draw a line here with just a basic pencil. Draw a line. That's where I'm going to try to cut. Hopefully I could do this with my razor blade, but we'll see. It looks like it's really easy to cut, so I think that'll be good. I did the line, as you can see, through. So now we're just gonna slice it right there. And it looks like, yes, my Husky blade here is actually cutting through the material quite well. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue. What I do is I dig in it, going straight down, just continue to dig in, take my time. Start at the top, dig into the material, and it's just cutting through like butter. So we're going to go all the way down to the end here. And if you want, you could turn this over, make the line, and cut on this side, which would be actually a good idea, because then when you're cutting it, just in case, you don't have to worry about the main side being damaged or anything. But so far so good. I'm pretty lucky because this is going to be hidden anyway under the support in the ceiling. But just the thought, just in case, because you see how fragile the material is. So cutting on the other side may be your best bet if you're a little nervous. All right, so now I'm going to separate this here, as you can see there, and I'm going to push that over there because that's going to be used to replace that one. And this is the section now ready to be replaced. See the grooves, it's already supported here. I just got to go ahead and slide this one right back into place. So as you can see, I got the first one in successfully. I'm leaving this one open like this so I can put this in, and then I'll push everything in place. But you see, it is now back sealed in there and no longer damaged, so that's pretty cool. All right, so here's the damaged one. I did trace it to replicate it, but I did make the width a little bit wider because I noticed up there in the ceiling it looks like it was kind of not supported enough. So I did make it a little wider, and I used my utility knife again. Let's go ahead and try to pull this apart, and there you go. Pulls right apart, nice and neat. So the utility knife does the job for this task. All right, so I've gotten that back in place, and this is the last one. It's gonna fit right in here. So let me go ahead and get that done, and I'll show you how it looks after. So I took out this rod first because that's connected to my filter. So I just slid this one in first, get it lined up under here, support it. And then I'm gonna just put this one back in here. So it can support both the filter as well as this panel as well. All right, guys, this was a quick task here. As you can see, I have now replaced that rod there that's connecting to the filter as well as the panel. So it all looks brand new. I'm so happy about that. So that was a quick task. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Until the next video, guys, take care of yourself. God bless.